This 2025 East to West Entrada 2000 NS is a Class C RV. It is located in Avondale, Arizona, 85323 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Avondale. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab. This 2025 East to West Entrada 2000 NS is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.